My name is Brent Bond. My job title is maintenance supervisor. My main job is to keep trucks on the road so we can haul concrete. Joined the military right out of high school, and I was on submarines. I was a machinist mate, and I came and got actually into the ready-mix industry due to my mechanical knowledge that I had earned from the Navy. So you could always tell a Lafarge employee or a person by the way they carry themselves and the equipment they drive and the attitude they keep. I think it's something to be part of a global company, because I could look on the web and say, oh wow, look, we built this huge bridge in Australia or wherever it may be. It's just, I think you hold your head a little higher because you're part of a bigger entity. There isn't one thing that we do here at the shop that I could do by myself. If it wasn't for the team that I have, we wouldn't get the results we do. You know, I go to Japan every year for 6 weeks to do my Navy Reserve duty, and I do not hesitate to walk out the door and realize that everything's going to be taken care of while I'm gone. We watch each other's back, we take care of each other and make sure that we get the projects done. And that's something that makes me proud.